In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a USB to a Samsung phone. This process allows you to easily transfer files, access documents, and manage storage. To start, let's gather what you need. You will require a USB-C flash drive, or if your flash drive has a standard USB-A connector, you will need a USB OTG adapter. This adapter is essential as it enables your phone to read the standard USB-A connectors. It is important to ensure you have the right equipment ready before proceeding. This will save you time and prevent any interruptions during the connection process. Now, let's move on to connecting the USB. First, if you are using a USB flash drive that has a standard USB-A connector, plug it into the USB OTG adapter. Ensure it fits snugly in the adapter because a loose connection can lead to transfer issues. Once that is done, take the adapter and plug it into your Samsung phone's USB-C port. You should see the connection being established on your phone. This step is vital as it sets up the communication channel between your phone and the USB device. You will notice a prompt or notification confirming the connection, which reassures you that your device is ready for use. Next up, we need to check the USB for file transfer options. To do this, slide down your screen to access the notification panel. You will see an option related to the USB connection. Tap on it to open the USB settings. Here you will be presented with various options for what you want to do with the USB. It is critical to select the appropriate option depending on your needs. For example, if you wish to transfer files, tap on the option for transferring files. This selection ensures that your device recognizes the USB for file management, which is essential for a successful transfer. Once you have selected the file transfer option, it is time to copy or move files. Begin by opening the My Files application on your Samsung phone. This app is like a digital file cabinet that holds all your documents, images, and downloads. After opening My Files, navigate through your folders and select the file or files you want to transfer. You can select multiple files if needed. Once you have made your selections, look for the options to either copy or move. This is important because it determines whether you want to keep the original files on your phone or just transfer them to the USB. Now, after choosing copy or move, you will need to specify where to send the files. Choose either USB storage or internal storage depending on where you want the files to go. Tap on the option you prefer and then select copy here or move here. This action will initiate the transfer process. It may take a moment depending on the size and number of files being transferred. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation notification, ensuring your files have successfully moved to the desired location. By following these steps, you have successfully connected a USB to your Samsung phone and managed files with ease. This process not only helps in transferring files, but also in expanding your phone's storage capabilities. Congratulations on completing this task.